No one saw it with their own eyes, but several witnesses say the sounds they heard couldn't be mistaken.
Because I assumed what was going on in there, I probably didn't want to see it.
That testimony came from several women who worked on the same office floor as Judge Dawn Gentry, and all believe the noise came from the judge, her female secretary, and a man Gentry hired as her case specialist. She's accused of hiring him not based on merit, but so she could have an affair with him.
This could have been some kind of put on.
Yes. But Gentry's attorney says it could have been just a joke. Two court divisions occupied the floor, Gentry's staff and Judge Chris Mayling's staff. The two did not get along, so he argues Gentry's side was trying to make Mayling's side uncomfortable by faking those noises.
There was not a lot of happiness or getting along between these two staffs, right?
Yeah, there was not a lot of camaraderie.
I heard it. It was haunted me, actually, yes.
Wednesday, Aubrey testified that the allegation is absolutely false and that the three were just joking, trying to make light of romance rumors making their way through the courthouse.
The rumors got so ridiculous that, yes, that we may have been laughing and kidding around, and basically said if they're gonna talk, it seems like we're talking about.
Other testimony painted Penrose, who has yet to testify, as overbearing and even threatening. Kenton County School Superintendent Henry Webb testified Penrose said the district would face felonies if it didn't change how it filed its cases in family court.
Did you interpret that as a threat? I did.
And witnesses from Health and Family Services say working with Penrose,
It was just uncomfortable.
Gentry is accused of hiring Penrose because she was engaged in a personal sexual relationship with him, not based on merit. Testimony also included accusations that the judge allowed her children in the chambers and that she falsified timesheets. Her side tried to normalize that, pointing out everyone did that. Still, witnesses say the work environment created by Gentry was uncomfortable.
So it's part of the reason I finally left. I loved my job there.
Now, in addition to some salacious accusations including sex and alcohol, she's also accused of retaliating against people who don't support her while rewarding friends that do. Sexual encounters, Snapchat conversations, and inappropriate photos.
I'm not going to dispute that he said things to me.
An attorney representing the Judicial Conduct Commission says she's already admitted to some of the claims made against her.
And on a few more grounds, she admits that those allegations actually constitute violations of the Code of Judicial Conduct.
When asked, has he
Ever sent you nude photographs?
He has.
That's one of the 9 counts of misconduct against her. She's also accused of unwanted sexual advances against a female attorney.
And you all were kissing.
Yes.
Gentry then went on to hear that attorney's cases.
Would you agree with me that you shouldn't have remained hearing her cases after that incident occurred?
I agree.
And you admit that your failure to recuse on her cases violated the Code of Judicial Conduct.
I do.
Those admissions and more are why the Judicial Conduct Commission says she should lose her job. It also accuses her of coercing people to contribute to a campaign, falsifying timesheets, and allowing her staff and herself to consume alcohol in courthouse offices.
Judge Gentry is a fair judge. She's a conscientious one, but she's not perfect, and she made some mistakes.
But her attorney says her ability to admit her mistakes is exactly why she should stay put.
I think her acknowledgement and the testimony that you're going to hear is evidence that she has the ability to conduct herself as a judge.
Again, our thanks for we'll get her job, retain her job on the bench. In the meantime, the 13th juror tonight delivering their verdict. Go on my Facebook page, Vinny Politan, Court TV. Let me know what you think should happen to the judge. In the meantime, Court TV's